The Nigerian Meteorological Agency, NiMet, has predicted that 8 northern states will experience delayed onset of rainfall in 2025. The prediction is contained in NiMet's 2025 seasonal climate prediction, unveiled by the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, FESTUS Keyamo, in Abuja. A statement issued by NiMet listed the affected states as Plateau, Kaduna, Niger, Benue, Nasarawa, Taraba, Adamawa, and Kwara states. The SCP theme termed the role of early warnings towards climate-resilient aviation industry for sustainable socio-economic development also outlined key rainfall predictions for 2025. NiMet predicted an early onset of rainfall in Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Anambra, and parts of Oyo, Ogun, Osun, Ondo, Lagos, Edo, Enugu, Imo, and Ebonyi states. According to NiMet, the length of the rainy season in 2025 is expected to be mostly normal across the country.
Earlier than long-term average end of rainy season is predicted over parts of Zamfara, Katsina, Kano, Kaduna, Jigawa, Plateau, Bauchi, Borno, Yobe, Adamawa, Taraba, Niger, Kwara, Kogi, FCT, Ekiti, and Ondo states. A delayed end of season is expected over parts of Kaduna, Nasarawa, Benue, Lagos, Kwara, Taraba, Oyo, Ogun, Cross River, Delta, Akwa Ibom, Ebonyi, Anambra, and Enugu states. A normal to below normal annual rainfall is anticipated in most parts of Nigeria compared to the long-term average. Parts of Kebbi, Kaduna, Ebonyi, Cross River, Lagos, Abia, Akwa Ibom states, and the FCT are expected to have above normal annual rainfall amounts